Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to clean Audi Q7 headlights. Start by parking in shade, taping paint edges, and removing heavy grime with soap and water. Next, wet sand cloudy areas progressively with 800 to 2000 grit, keep surfaces wet, and inspect clarity often. Finish by polishing with a plastic polish or rubbing compound, then seal with UV protectant to prevent yellowing and fogging over time. Work methodically and take your time to avoid uneven results or scratches. Start with a thorough wash, then tape off nearby panels to protect paint. Sand the lens in consistent circular or horizontal strokes, rinsing frequently to clear debris. Move from coarser to finer grits until the lens looks uniformly dull but smooth. Apply polish with a microfiber pad, buff until clear, then apply a UV sealant to lock in clarity. If you are enjoying this walkthrough, please subscribe and like so you can catch more simple car fixes. Quick recommendation: the O'Ala water bottle is my go-to on cleaning days because it seals tight, stays cold, and fits cup holders perfectly. A small win during long projects. Check the description for the link to the O'Ala bottle and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Avoid rushing and learn from common errors to save time and money. Always mask paint and trim, and never neglect the fine grit finishing step, or you will see sanding marks. Use consistent pressure and keep the lens wet while sanding to prevent heat buildup and plastic warping. Seal the restored lens with a UV protectant to maintain clarity and protect your work from premature yellowing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.